Hi everyone, myself Kanagaraju Veldi, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Barangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to Witsconnect. In earlier class already we discussed classifications of gear, what is gear, what are the uses of gears, what are the types of gears. Okay, coming to the gear nomenclature or terms used in gears. What are the terms used in gears? Let's see what are the terms used in gears. First one, pitch circle. These 10 are important terms. Okay, we have so many terms, but these 10 are most important terms used in gears. Okay, let's see. First one is pitch circle diameter, pitch surface, addendum, addendum circle, circular pitch, next diametral pitch, module. Let's see these some important terms. What are the terms used in gear? Okay, this is a totally gear nomenclature. This is total gear nomenclature. Gear This is total gear nomenclature. In this gear nomenclature, we are using some terms. Okay, these 10 is some important terms. Okay, we have so many terms. Let's see. Okay, see here. This is a gear. Gear is 1, 2, 3, 4. In this gear is there are so many terms we are using. Like in this gear width, top of gear width this is a face width, and tap land, this is tap land, total tap land, face, pitch surface element, this is a pitch surface element, and flank. Okay, and another one, working depth, like in this one, this bottom of the gear to and top of gear, this circle is this distance is working depth. Okay, this is working depth. Next, tooth, one tooth to another tooth difference is tooth space. This is tooth space. In this one is a tooth space, and circular pitch. This is a circular pitch. Distance between distance between starting point of the one tooth to and ending point of that one tooth is a circular pitch. And tooth thickness. What is tooth thickness? This is a tooth thickness. In this difference between these 2 points is a tooth thickness. And coming to the addendum. What is addendum? The circular form of top of the teeth points is called addendum. Bottom of the form of the teeth is called dedendum. This is a dedendum. Okay, dedendum, addendum circle. In this one, distance between the addendum circle to this one is a addendum circle. Distance between addendum circle to pitch circle is called addendum. Okay, next, distance between dedendum circle. This is dedendum circle. Distance between dedendum circle to in this this one is pitch circle tooth. This circle distance between is dedendum. Okay, these all are some important terms we are used in this tooth nomenclature. Let's see what are the addendum circle is there, dedendum circle, face width, necessary. This is a clearance. Distance between circular clearance circle to dedendum. This is a clearance. Okay, next, tooth width, circular pitch, tooth thickness, and dedendum circle. This is a dedendum circle. In this dedendum circle are known as a root. Okay, next, addendum circle, working depth, pitch surface element, top land. This is a top land. These all are some important terms we are used in gear nomenclature or gear. Okay, this is a terms used in gears. Okay, first most important one is 10, that is a pitch circle diameter, pitch surface, addendum, dedendum circle, addendum circle, dedendum circle, circular pitch, diametral pitch, and module. Okay, these all are some of the important terms used in gears. And circular pitch is equal to circular pitch is denoted by PC. This PC is equal to pi d by t. Okay, in this one, what is pi, what is d? D means diameter. D means the diameter of the pitch circle. T, number of teeth. Pi is equal to pi into d, diameter of the pitch circle. T is equal to number of teeth. In this one, circular pitch is denoted by PC. Next one is a diametral pitch. What is the diametral pitch is denoted by? This diametral pitch is denoted by PD. Diametral pitch is denoted by PD. PD is equal to T by D. Capital number of teeth by diameter of the pitch circle. Number of teeth by diameter of the pitch circle. Next, module is denoted by M, small m. Module is equal to diameter of the pitch circle by number of teeth. Okay, see, pitch circle is denoted by PC is equal to pi d by t, diameter of the pitch circle by number of teeth. Next, diametral pitch is denoted by PD. PD is equal to number of teeth by diameter of the pitch circle. Next, module is denoted by M. Small m is equal to diameter of the pitch circle by number of teeth. These terms are most important in gear nomenclature. Okay, once again see these addendum circle, dedendum, pitch circle, root, and thickness of the tooth, next tooth space, next circular pitch, PS width, and pitch circle element. Okay, these all are some of the important terms used in gears. Students, see again circular pitch. What is a circular pitch? In this circular pitch is denoted by, already we know that PC. Okay, already we discussed what is a PC, circular pitch. Circular pitch PC is equal to pi d by t. Okay, in this one, what is d? D is equal to diameter of the pitch circle. Okay, T is equal to number of tooths. Okay, number of tooths. Okay, in this one, PC is equal to pi d by t. In PC is equal to like this one also. PC is equal to, there is a in any gear drive there is two gears are there. Like first one is pi d1 by t1 is equal to pi d2 by t2. Okay, in this one pi cancel. Then d1 by t1 is equal to d2 by t2. This is one of the equation. Okay, this is one of the d1 by t1 is equal to d2 by t2. Using this equation, d1 by d2 is equal to t1 by t2. This is also one of the equation. Okay, this is a circular pitch. Next, coming to the diametral pitch. In this diametral pitch is denoted by PD. Okay, PD, diametral pitch, is equal to number of tooth by diameter of the pitch circle. Number of tooth by diameter of the pitch circle. Okay, this is one of the formula. Is equal to T by D. T by D is equal to T by D is equal to T by D is equal to like P T by D is equal to pi by PC also is there. Let's write pi by PC. Okay, this is also one of the formula. In this one, T is equal to as well as same number of teeth, number of tooth. D is equal to diameter of pitch circle. Okay, pitch circle. Okay, this is a diametral pitch. Next, module. Module, what is module? Module is denoted by small m. Small m is equal to d by t. Small m, ratio of diametral pitch circle, pitch circle, and number of teeth, d by t. M is equal to, module is equal to capital D by T, diameter of the pitch circle by number of tooth. These three are most important in terms used in gears, gear nomenclature or gear nomenclature. Circular pitch PC is denoted by PC, diametral pitch is denoted by PD, module is denoted by M. Okay, these all are most important. Okay, see here, PC is equal to pi D by T, PD is equal to diametral pitch, PD is equal to T by D, module is equal to D by T. Okay, in this one, T means number of tooths, D means diameter of the pitch circle. Okay, let's this is also one of the most important equation. Okay, thank you.